everybody, it's Dakota from First Gear Media, and today we're working on the G35, and I'm going to show you how to completely restore your engine cover. I'm going to show you how to make it go from this to this. You guys, all you're going to need for this is basically the paint you want to use to redo the color on top, like the silver, what I got, and then you're going to use black to redo all of this. I chose the epoxy paint. I use it on my steering wheel. It's really resistant, and it's a nice shiny, durable coating. And then you're going to need tape to tape off any areas like that, and a razor blade. Now, I already did, but you're going to want to go ahead and clean off your engine cover. This is, as you can see, why I'm redoing mine, because this is just baked on oil from 100,000+ miles. So we're going to get started with the silver right now. Alright, you guys, so I just finished up with the silver. I did about 6 coats, and as you can see already, this area in particular looks way better. Now, I know I sprayed all over the black and all that stuff, I know, but that's where, like I said earlier, the tape and everything comes in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this dry for about an hour, so it'll be nice and clean, but we're gonna tape everything off that needs to stay silver with this and like paper, and then we're gonna tape that off, and then I'm gonna show you how we get the rest of it black, and in the end it'll look really good. But while this is drying, I'm going to give a quick update on my G35, since in the last video it was in an accident. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, the G35 is back from the shop. Now, I said I got into an accident on Christmas. I'm going to put a picture on the screen right now what happened. Like I said, the whole hood got, like, kind of messed up, and then the bumpers all messed up, and the grill. Yeah, it's all done. But so I got it back from the shop. What they did is they repainted the entire bumper. Unfortunately, the plastic dip is gone because, grill is all fixed, and then the hood is nice and fixed. The trim in there is done. So the G35 is back and is ready to go, hence why we're making this video. And it looks a lot better. So everything's fine with this car now. Now we're gonna go get back to the main point of the video. Alright guys, so back to this. As you can see, it's all dried up. I masked off the silver area, and then I put tape over the top of this and trimmed it. That took forever, but as you can see now, everything else that's going to be black is ready to be sprayed. And what we're going to use is that epoxy paint that I was telling you about. So let's put a coat on here and see how it looks. And as you can see, it already looks a lot better. It's really nice and glossy. Now, I'm going to let this dry. This stuff takes a little bit longer to dry, not like 15 minutes or anything like that. So we're just gonna let this sit for a while. Thankfully it's sunny outside, and then we'll see how it goes after another few coats. You guys, and we just got done with our last coat, and as you can see, just look at how much better this looks already. It's nice and glossy. Everything looks really good. I'm gonna let this dry because I literally just did it, but I'm gonna take everything off and show you all how it came out. Alright guys, here it is, all done with the tape masked off and everything like that. Pulled off, and look how much better that looks. It looks just like it came from the factory, and this all was done for less than $10. It only took a little bit of my time. Now, I did get it a little dirty unfortunately, but you could have gone with red, blue, gold, anything you want. I just chose this color because I wanted it to look clean, but just for a simple mod that didn't take long at all, look how well this came out and transformed the look of basically the car. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up how to restore your engine cover. Now remember, you can do this any color you want. Now, if you like this and you're going to do this to your car, leave a comment down below. That'll really help us out with the algorithm on YouTube. But if you just like the video in general, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 by the end of 2019. If we do, we will show you all a very, very, very big surprise. So please help us out doing that, and I hope you all had a great new year since we haven't made a video from last year. So once again, if you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.